Alright, I'm in the garage. It's about 10:30. Here's the person I thought was a dead person. It's a Notre Dame grill cover. Got one car in. I'm going to open the garage for the insanity. Turn on the light on the... Okay, there's the snow outside. There's our car. I don't even, there's not really, try to get the light up there. You can see the insanity outside. Here's the drifts, the snow drifts outside. There's one car, the other. You just can't see anything. I don't know if you can get the park across the street. There's the snow drifts above the house. You just can't see anything out, really. Obviously no cars out. And here's our garage door thing. Totally frozen over. I'll close that. Alright, gotta close the garage. Alright, these are our windows. See how much snow is caked on them. It's kind of crazy. I'm going to try to open this door. Give you an idea of the insanity outside. Here's our door, covered in snow. There's the snow up to our door. And there's our light. And there is outside. I don't know if you can see the snow coming down the line. Alright, I'm going to close this door. Boom! That's all the snow that blew in from out there. Let's see if we can get a good picture of things. That's out our back window, our back door. Where you can see all the snow that's here. Hear it, see it. That's crazy business. Alright, closing that door. Some video from the blizzard of 2011. Try to get some of the snow blowing outside the kitchen window. And you can see things outside. See, here's our kitchen window. It's a little insane. I'm afraid to open that. Door. You can see the snow blowing on the other side. I'm gonna come out to the window here. Get some crazy snow. This is out our dining room window. See the snow coming down, blowing insanely.